Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is often overlooked but holds immense power: vulnerability. Vulnerability is often seen as a weakness, something to be avoided at all costs. But in reality, vulnerability is a strength. It takes courage to open up and show your true self to others. Brené Brown once said, "Vulnerability is the birthplace of innovation, creativity, and change." When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and connections. By being vulnerable, we not only deepen our relationships with others but also with ourselves. It allows us to connect on a deeper level and foster empathy and understanding. So, the next time you feel the urge to hide your true feelings or struggles, remember that vulnerability is a superpower. Embrace it, and watch how it transforms your life in ways you never thought possible. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's okay to be vulnerable. See you next time.